What's going on, everybody? It's Dog with a Vlog coming at you with a brand new video. Today we're back with a unboxing, a classic Dog with the Vlog unboxing. This is what I started out on, was just strict unboxings, opening the shoe for the first time and getting to see it and just giving my honest thoughts and opinions. So we're kind of back doing that now. So it's just kind of raw emotion. Now, this is a shoe that I got from Nike recently, just this last week. It is the Nike Flyknit trainer in the black and white colorway. Now, it is not in the white and black, which dropped earlier in 2017, which I really wanted but was unable to get. I did get lucky with these. Nike's been kind of bringing back this model pretty heavily with a lot of different colors. There's like a cream color, light blue, purple, yellow, all black, and then these and the OG white colorway. So I was happy to be able to get these. I got them on the Nike Sneakers app, which they've been doing me good lately. I got my black cement 3s there, and I got these. So it's almost made up for all the times that they've fucked me. But let's just go ahead and take a look at these shoes. Wowie, wow, wowzers. Here they are, the Nike Flyknit trainer. These are sick as fuck in person, dog. Obviously, I'm a big Flyknit fan. If you guys have been subscribers to the channel for a while, you know that I'm a big fan of the Flyknit Racer, which I have in Oreo, multicolor, the Goddess colorway, and then the triple black. So I'm a huge fan of Flyknit. This shoe is obviously very, very similar to that shoe with the rope laces, the Flyknit upper, the sort of flimsy tongue, even the outsole. It's just more of like a sturdy version of that sneaker, which is good because I think I'm going to get a little bit more wear out of it because it is a little bit more sturdy. One of my biggest gripes with the Flyknit Racer is that it's really see-through and almost transparent. I don't think that I'm going to really have this problem, but these are super dope. I honestly bought these and thought about just flipping them like on StockX, but after seeing that the StockX prices have dropped to like $50 above retail and seeing them in person, I think I'm just going to hold on to them. I don't think it'd be worth going to the hassle of like trying to move them. So that's them though. Let's go ahead and just start with the shoe. Obviously on the bottom we have the black and white outsole, which sort of has this traction built in here. Coming up to the midsole, we have a sort of lunar lawn-esque midsole up here, which is in white and black, and it wraps around the entire shoe. The upper is entirely Flyknit in the white and black, just sort of stitched in with the white Nike swoosh, and then the white sort of around here. The top is like a sock-like material like you would come to expect. The back is also really sturdy, like the heel cup here back here is very sturdy in comparison to the Flyknit Racer, which is kind of the only thing I had to compare it to. And then of course Nike Flyknit trainer here on the tongue in white. So it's a super simple shoe. It's just black and white, but I don't think you can ever have too many black and white sneakers, and I think this is something that I'm going to be wearing, especially with spring being upon us. I'm going to be wearing these probably every day this spring and into the summer. So I'm super excited about these, and I'm super excited to have them. I did go a 10.5. I usually go my true size in the Flyknit trainers, but some people do say it's a little bit tight. I think that it stretches just fine to my foot, but if you're worried, definitely just go up half a size, and I don't think you're going to have any problems at all. But I did go true to size, and I'm not really too concerned about sizing or anything like that. But that is the sneaker. Obviously, I've been doing a couple of videos recently. I took a long time away from sneaker YouTube because I wasn't really buying any shoes. I was on a big kick last year where I was only buying shoes that were like under $100. So a lot of Vans, a lot of Cortezes, a lot of stuff like that. Very rarely was I going above 100. So I didn't really have a whole lot to talk about or review, but now I'm kind of back just buying what I want to buy and spending the money on the stuff that I want to spend the money on and not really worrying so much about the price. Just to kind of get back to it. Now, obviously don't expect like a full return with like vlogs and discussions and shit like that, but you know, this isn't a career for me by any means, but do expect some videos of shoes that I'm buying because I did take some time away and I'm excited to kind of be back and make videos, and that's that. But don't get your hopes up like this is going to get serious, because it never will, unless I have, I don't know, fucking strike gold on a video and start doing it's all hypothetical. Anyway, My name is Dog with a Vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed the shoe, and let me know if you guys are able to pick these up. And if you want them, like I said, on StockX, last I checked, they were at $200, which was earlier this week. The white ones are actually going for under $200, so that might be a shoe that I might pick up in the future if I can muscle up the nerve to pay above retail. But if you guys want to get them, it's a good time to get them because I think they're only going to keep dropping on StockX, and it seems like they're restocking places as well. So make sure you're following Sneaker Shouts and T Blake on Twitter. I talk about them all the time. They're always tweeting when deals or restocks are taking place so that you guys can maybe get your hands on them. So make sure you're following them to kind of keep up to date to see if you can get them, or just go straight to the source, StockX, and see if you can get your hands on them if you're willing to pay the money. But that's me. I'm Dog with a Vlog, and I'll talk to you guys super, super soon. Peace.